Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a link tree to your TikTok profile. Linktree allows you to share multiple links through a single URL in your TikTok bio. This is useful for creators, businesses, and influencers who want to direct followers to websites, social media, or other content. To add Linktree, first create a Linktree account and set up your links. Once your Linktree URL is ready, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile, then scroll to the Bio section. Paste your Linktree URL into the bio field. For this example, I already have a Linktree link set up. Tap Save. After saving, your Linktree link will appear on your profile. Anyone visiting your profile can now access all the links you added. This is a great way to share multiple resources without needing multiple bio links. That's it. You've learned how to set up a Linktree account and add it to your TikTok bio. This makes sharing multiple links quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelphStack tutorial videos.